Hi everyone, my name's Mike from Smoke Fish 101. What you're looking at here, this is my King Kooker dual burner outdoor camp stove, propane cooker. This is a fantastic product. I've been using this model now for 15 years. This is the second unit that I've owned and had this one for, the last 5 or 6 years now, whatever the case is. As an outdoor fishing guide, I needed product that worked for me, rain or shine, in relatively windy conditions sometimes, and beautiful, bright, sunny days as well. This product definitely worked for me. Never gave me any problems whatsoever that I wasn't able to overcome in the situation. The last unit that I ran, I had to run it for 100 days over the duration of multiple summers straight. So I have full trust in these units. They get extremely hot if you want, as hot as a turkey fryer. You're also able to dial them right down to provide the lowest amount of heat for if you're frying delicate foods and you don't want to burn it. But if you're trying to boil water, or oil, you're able to really crank it up and get it as hotter than what you would ever want it to be. It breaks down, the four legs break down via those push buttons that you see. You see a little wind guard around the outside edge there. I use it sometimes, but not all the time. It's got a little carry handle. You're able to get really big pans on here. So what you see here, these are two 14-inch pans. You're able to feed a large crowd off of this one single unit. That's just a small little 5-pound propane tank, easy to carry around with you. I thoroughly enjoy it, and I'm sure that you will too. Anyways, enjoy the video.